I'm Tess and welcome to my kitchen. Tonight I'm cooking pan-seared sea scallops with a delicious lemon garlic butter sauce. Stay tuned. Sea scallops are such a seafood delicacy and they are so easy to cook. They take less than 10 minutes to make. Scallops have a distinct and mildly sweet flavor. I have a pound of cleaned, drained, and dried scallops that I'm seasoning with a little kosher salt and black pepper. I'm using my non-stick skillet tonight, but you can use any pan. I have my heat on medium-high to high. I'm bringing my pan up to heat and drizzling in about a quarter cup of oil. The pan should be hot. I'm laying in my scallops and you should hear a sizzle. I'm laying in the scallops clockwise and I will flip them in the same order so they will cook evenly. I'm letting these cook without touching for a couple minutes so a nice brown caramelized crust forms. When the scallop is ready to turn, you will see a nice golden sear around the bottom edge and the scallop should release easily from the pan. This is after 1 minute of cooking and I'm going to let them cook for another minute. You shouldn't touch the scallops, but I just wanted to show you this stage of cooking. After a couple minutes, I'm flipping the scallops over and cooking for another minute or two. The second side usually does not take as long as the first. Once done, I'm removing the scallops from the pan. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this perfect pan-seared scallops recipe below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. Now that the scallops are done, I'm making a delicious lemon garlic butter sauce to drizzle over the top. In the same pan on medium heat, I'm adding in 4 tablespoons of cold butter and 2 sliced cloves of garlic. Cooking and stirring for 1 to 2 minutes. Make sure you scrape up all that flavor on the bottom of the pan. It will gradually release as you stir. And this is the juice of 2 lemons. I'm adding in a teaspoon of parsley, a pinch of salt, and black pepper. Bringing this up to a simmer, and again scraping the bottom to make sure I get all those good tidbits off the bottom. Once the sauce comes together, I'm adding in another tablespoon of cold butter, stirring in, and then removing from the heat. Tonight I'm serving with some pasta. Scallops can be served as an appetizer or main meal. The sea scallops turned out perfect. They are so tender and flavorful. I'm spooning over some of that delicious lemon garlic butter sauce. So good. I hope you give these easy and delicious sea scallops a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.